I got the Swiffer Extra Large Cleaning Kit off of Amazon for $16.94. This is for dry and wet sweeping. It says it's 1.5 times wider than the regular Swiffer. So let's take it out of the box and see what's inside. Let's open the box and pull the Swiffer out. Piece of cardboard here. Next, inside the box, we have some dry pads for the Swiffer. There's 8 in all. Next, inside the box, we have some wet pads for the Swiffer. These are all extra large pads. Next up, we have the Swiffer itself. So here's our Swiffer right out of the box. It has 8 grips. This is how it swivels. There's a look at the bottom side of the Swiffer. Then we have our 3 poles that we need to attach. All the poles look to be the same, so we can attach them here to the base, pushing in that tab and pushing this down. Okay, we got that one attached. Push down that tab and push that other pole on. Same thing with the next pole. Let's take the other dry pads out of the box. So we should have another 4 of those to our original 4. Then the other wet pad out of the box. So we have 2 wet pads in total. And then the handle out of the box. So let's attach our handle now. Let's attach the handle, push down the button, slide it in. Okay, we have the handle on. Let's take a look at the information on the back of the box. It says lock and sweep, gather large particles with a 90-degree locking head. It says cover more ground with an 80% larger cleaning surface. And then it shows what we need for refills. The XL dry sweeping cloths and the XL heavy-duty dry sweeping cloths. It says it's safe on wood in all finished floors, satisfaction guaranteed, or your money back. And then it shows us how to put the Swiffer together and attach the sweeping cloth. All right, let's try it out. Let's take one of the dry cloths out of the package first. And we're gonna attach this cloth to the Swiffer. The cloth comes folded up. So we'll just open up one side, open up the other side, center the Swiffer some, and then attach the cloth to each of these grips. Press it in there, press it in there, flip that over, press it in there, press it in there, press it in there, and press it in there. All right, now we're ready to Swift. Here's another look at the entire Swiffer. Let's try the Swiffer out. So I'm just gonna sweep down the floor here. Here's the Swiffer after sweeping the hallway. As you can see, it gathered up a lot of dust. However, you still need to sweep up what you pushed out of the hallway with a regular broom and dustpan. Overall, it's working just like the regular Swiffer so far. Let's try out the wet pads now. I used the dry Swiffer to get up a lot of the dirt in the kitchen. Now I'm going to use the wet Swiffer to see if it picks up all the grime that's on the floor. A lot of spots all over. Quite dirty in this area. Let's see how it does. Here are the Swiffer wet mopping cloths. Let's turn this over. Okay, so we unfold, we attach, clean, and then remove when dirty. All right, let's open it up. Got a little tab we can peel here. Peel that tab off, and then we're gonna pull it out. Here's the wet cloth. Unfold it, open it up, get it on our Swiffer. Pinch this on just like the other one. Pinch all 8 of these. We have our wet pad attached. Let's try this out. See how it does. Some of the grime on the floor. Here's a grimy spot. Pick that right up. Same over there. Just gonna pick that right up. Lock it in place so you can put it on the edge and then scrub. Kick it with my foot and try to do that. Okay. Picking up some stuff nicely. Some stuff isn't coming off the floor. I don't know if there's a simpler way to get it on the edge. It's doing a pretty good job overall. Gonna continue to mop the floor and we'll see how it looks at the end of all of this. Overall, it did a decent job. I'm still left with a pile of dirt after sweeping / mopping. Here's the floor after I cleaned it. You can scrub with the edge of this. It does lock into place. One drawback for the wet pad is that it does dry out pretty quickly. So overall, I like it. It would be good for a regular weekly cleaning. However, for heavier jobs, I would say a mop and a bucket is still the best way to go. Here's the bottom of the wet pad after I was done. So I'm just gonna pull that off. And then I'm gonna throw that in the trash. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.